is it? Oh, wow. Good morning, phone. It's 5:38. Dad! It's time to wake up. Wait 1 sec. What time is it? Let me go check outside. Hey, let's check outside. Dad! Come over here!
What?
Look outside!
I can't see. It's raining!
It's raining! It's raining! It's raining! Panic! Okay. Let's go outside. Let's investigate this. Alright, Dad, let's go outside. Let's go.
Okay, somebody doesn't explode. Okay.
I know.
That's so scary. It's raining. Why is the clouds crying?
I know! Let's go outside. Alright. Yeah, I know, Dad. We gotta go outside. Alright, let's open the door.
No, it's scary. I'm scary. No.
I know, but we gotta investigate. Let's go look through the screen.
Why? It's big. No.
Dad, you're bigger. Come on. I'm a child. Let's open this door. And, oh my gosh. It's so windy. I'm gonna go check it out.
Oh, okay.
I'm coming out, Dad.
Oh, okay. I got hit by the door.
Are you okay?
I got hit by the door.
Alright, why is there some random weirdo's bike there?
I don't know.
Oh no, but let's go. What the heck is that?
Wait, look. It's going out of there. We're going out of there.
It's so raining up there. Like, what the heck?
Where are my leaves? Okay. Let's fix the leaves.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are the leaves okay? Wait, the leaves okay? What are you doing?
Dummy.
What are you doing?
I'm eating the leaves.
Why?
Please, no.
Fine, you leave. Be a good dinosaur, though. Be a good dinosaur.
You're sharks. But anyways, let's panic. Panic mode. 1 sec. Okay, what should we do? It's panic mode. You know, it's raining. Yeah. Alright, let's press the button. Panic button.
Shark, are you okay? What the? Calm down. Let me help you. What are you doing? I just hit you.
Oh no.
Hurt.
Alright. Yeah. Alright, let's go back inside. Oh no. What the?
It's windy.
What the heck is over there? It's starting to rain. Let's go outside.
I don't like the rain.
I know. It's coming closer. Let's go. Go fast. Dad, are you okay? Dad, are you? Wait. Are you okay, Dad?
I'm looking at the ground one more.
Okay, yeah, you know what? 1 sec.
Number 2 goes.
Alrighty, now let's go inside.
I don't like you.
Alright, let's go inside.
Okay.
Inside. Alright, the rain can't get us now. It's raining. Alright, we gotta run. Alright, let's go to the roof. Come on.
Hold the bathroom. That's a safety. It has locks on it. It has locks on it.
Yes, it does. Let's go.
Locks.
Oh, I had the most terrifying dream.
What was that?
Ain't the Wawa dictating me. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Rain. Wait, we aren't scared of rain, aren't we? Because we're sharks.
And you forgot to wear grills today.
Yeah.
Hey, guys. So, this is the sound shark puppet. Oh, what shark puppet? That down.
Wait, no, not that. The shark goes down.
Anyways, guys, this is the end of
The Wawa was dating me.
Anyways, guys, see you guys next time. See you guys later. Or if you don't like this. Bye.